And what up? So, whoa, what the fuck? Shit popping up on the screen, but yeah. What up? Today's a new day. It is Sunday, and we are going to Twinkie's barbecue today. Still got Janky's Q60. Woo! Woo! Appreciate him. Really appreciate him letting me use this car, because yeah, it's been a nice car to have for the last week or so. But yeah, so we're going to Twinkie's barbecue today. The 350Z should be all painted and cleaned up, so yeah, we're about to go out there, mingle, eat, barbecue, and all the other stuff, and should be some fun. But yeah, so right now I'm about to go pick up some people that's riding with me out there to the barbecue. And I need to call my boy Juan. I need to call Juan, see where Juan at. That way we can get there and meet, blah, 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 and all the other good stuff. But yeah, for the most part, it's time to fucking go. We up early, and we are about to get up out of this G thing. So yeah, stay tuned. Yo, check out how nice Janky Q sounds, though. Ooh, so beautiful. It's a lovely sound. I love the way this exhaust sounds on here. Sounds like perfect. Oh. Man, hurry your old square ass up, boy. Nigga, no felons in here. Square ass nigga.
What's happening, nigga?
Oh, square ass nigga. Oh, square ass boy. Look, taking hella long and shit. Hurry up, girl, run. Come on, run. Hurry up. Here, come here. Say what's up to the tube. Jeez. Taking hella long. What took you so long? This ain't your day. You better hurry up next time before you get left out here.
I watched him once.
Automatic One! Hey, what up, Automatic One? Yeah, we out, boy. My boy out here in all white looking like an angel / dead body. Boy, you about to get hella dirty at the car shop. Boy. 1J Juan. I mean, not 1J. Oops. You wish you had a 1J. Automatic One. Go ahead, you got it. Let me order. And we just pulling up to Twinkie's. We up in this G thing. They over here getting a little bit of the detailing done. Boy, they got you over here cleaning cars?
Hey, my nigga.
What up, boy? Soda.
Before you look at your car.
You what?
Morning.
What?
Morning, nigga.
What's wrong with my car?
Nothing's wrong with your car. It's the driver. No, we have to wash it. That's it. Plus some other things I didn't get to.
Damn, them teeth. Oh my God, them teeth. So yeah, we just pulling up and we talking to these people. This is the guy I'm supposed to be racing. Supposedly he has like a 700 and some horsepower, 300. Either way, he's gonna get killed by the SC.
We'll see.
But his lady just bought a GTR and they just like said it all nonchalant, like, oh, we just bought a GTR. Fucking ballers right here. You said 2017?
Yeah. It is like straight luxury, man. It's hardly a sports car anymore.
This shit is fucking sexy. Woo!
Start it. Oh, it's open?
Not that loud.
How long have you had it for?
I just got it last week.
Last week?
And we just got it, had clear bra and tint.
How long y'all been together for?
Here.
A year? Let me know if you got like a fetish for black guys or something. And bam, 350's all clean. Getting ready to get moved somewhere over here. It's gonna be a whole bunch of 350Zs here. It's gonna be somewhere. What up, boy? What's up, boy? Damn, look at that. They got my nigga Juan over here cleaning his own car. Why they got you cleaning your own car, fam? Cold world, right?
Everybody famous like me, bro. So far from my past misfortune, no sleep, late nights, no eating, gun squeezing, I'm real artesian, remote.
Oh shit! I'm like, who the fuck is this?
So this fool Twinkie's over here playing hella Mexican music, like cucaracha shit. But yeah, we ran into somebody that follows the vlogs.
Oh yeah, what's up, y'all? My name is Meech, Sackmade Meech. You'll probably see me in the comments. I'm damn near finna faint when I saw this dude, man. I fanboyed out, man. I ain't gonna lie. But man, I'm so glad I got to meet him finally. And shout out to Sacramento, shout out to Oakland, my baby, you know.
Yep.
But he didn't want to get shitty. We don't know if he's gonna get shitty yet, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see, man.
But yep, it's good meeting you, bro.
Man, nice meeting you too, man. Glad I got to meet you.
For sure.
My nephew's finna see this shit and he's finna freak out. He's like, D, what? You better.
They're faster though too.
Damn, look.
That's so weird.
That apple juice. That apple juice?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, out here drinking healthy. Apple juice slash
Underage, so.
that.
I got spiked apple juice.
So yeah, I just gave my man's a ride in the SC. Unfortunately, we couldn't vlog it because I had to control the car and I didn't have the mount in there. So yeah, how was it?
Pretty much shit my pants. Never being as fast in my life.
You in the vlog too?
Yes, I'm in the vlog.
Alright, she in the vlog too.
Yeah, she wasn't in the car though, so she missed out.
Javier over here policing because this girl over there. We all watching, all of us. All of us, hold on. Hold on, we about to go. Oh, hold on. That's censored. I'm recording the car. I'm recording the car. Yeah, car. I'm getting the car. Hey, back to twerking. Back to twerking. This boy thought he was about to finesse me and not give me no ride. Try to skirt off. See what this vet life be like. This shit's fast. I think we'd be a good race. Yeah, you don't have traction. It'll be a good race between us.
Not up to third gear, fourth gear.
Yep, you hook when I hook. It'll be a good ass run.
Yeah.
This shit's nasty.
Tacos on hit, huh?
Yo, so check this man out. Whose mans is this? I don't want to get your dick. Whose mans is this under here? Nigga, where your jack stands?
Bro, I got Scala has all the fucking jobs.
So I'm finally about to give this full Twinkie a ride in the SC. This fool's been hollering, oh, it's slow and blah, blah, blah and all this. So I'm about to get that fool a ride in the SC right now. And I'm going to make him hold the phone to see if he can do it. And we going to see his whole fucking head jerking back and forth and shit. So let's get this fool in the car finally.
This slow ass car, it's like 200 horsepower. Front wheel drive.
Front wheel drive?
Supposedly this shit's fast as fuck. We'll see. We mobbing out with Bondo. Nothing but Bondo and wheels on this shit. Bondo wheels and turbo. Alright, you ready? Is you ready? Oh shit. Nigga. That's the fastest I've been to this fucking block in a while. Holy shit. This is probably faster than my bike, fool. Holy shit, run this fool, run this fool. That fucking sobered me up. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Fucking walk that nigga.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. That sobered, like really, that sobered me up. That knocked alcohol out my fucking body. Hey, all that shit I was talking about, never mind, I'll take that shit back.
Hey, where my ride
That shit's fast as fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh hell no. I got a headache now.
Was it slow or what?
It's alright. Nah. hey, boy, I have a shitload of alcohol in me. For this shit sobered me up. Like, that's crazy. Miso, you're in, right? Yeah. Go on in. Go on in. Here.
Bye, guys.
Ready?
I'm ready. I think. Say hi to Instagram.
What's up, IG? What up, what up? So yeah, we running out of battery right now. Javier just rode in the SC. Now he can shut the fuck up.
Nigga, what's good, nigga?
What's up,
Hey,
blood?
that shit was fast as
blood,
fuck. That shit was fast and what? Shit. Well, hey, that shit sobered me up. Like, no fucking lie. I need another beer after that shit, boy.
Now you can stop talking shit.
Boy, look, what's up with all those handprints on the hood?
I'm curious
Those are
to
from all
know
your
how
girls,
much
man.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, you feel me?
Alright. Damn respect to that fucking SC, boy. That's the fastest car I've ever been with. Like, that.
Oh, you've been with my car, so it's cheating.
Yeah, fucking the
Been
exhaust
in.
pipe. Been in, my bad. My vernacular is a little off. No, hey, shut's fast as fuck. Shut's fast as fuck.